Before you watch this, pay close attention because what I'm about to show you can completely change the way you create YouTube videos, and I'm not exaggerating. Channels like Decoded Logic are making anywhere from $7.9 thousand to $127,000 per month. These simple Stickman-style videos you see all over YouTube are getting millions of views. And the crazy part is they look so basic that most people think it's easy, but when they try, they fail. Not because they can't do it, but because they don't know the exact process behind it. So today, I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, exactly how I do it. And if you're serious about growing on YouTube, hit that like button right now and comment "Start" so I know you're ready. And don't skip anything because even one missed step can ruin your entire video. Now, the first thing I do is I don't start creating immediately. Instead, I go and study what's already working. I open channels that are making these types of videos, and I scroll through their content. I look at the thumbnails, the characters, the emotions, and most importantly, I look at the situations they are showing. And you'll notice something very important. Every video is based on real-life relatable moments. Things like school problems, parents yelling, social anxiety, embarrassing situations. And that's exactly why they go viral, because people see themselves in those videos. So if you want me to break down viral ideas in detail, comment "idea" right now and I'll make a full video on that. And moving forward, once I find a good idea, I click on a video and I don't just watch it like a normal viewer. I analyze it deeply. I try to understand what is happening in each scene, who are the characters, what emotions are being triggered, because this is the real secret. It's not about animation or editing, it's about human psychology. And if you ignore this step, your videos will never perform. So make sure you subscribe right now and comment "serious" if you actually want to learn this. Now, after understanding the idea, I move to the next step, which is scripting. And this is where most beginners get stuck because they try to think everything in their head. But that's the wrong way. Instead, I go to Google Docs and I start building my script there. But here's the smart part. I don't write everything manually. I use a powerful prompt, I copy that prompt, and then I go to ChatGPT. I paste it there and then I just add one thing, my topic, that's it. Within seconds, I get a full structured script with scenes, emotions, and flow. And this saves me hours of work, so if you want my exact prompt, comment "prompt" right now and I'll share it in the next video. Now, once the script is ready, I move to the most exciting part, which is creating visuals. I take each scene from the script and go to AI image tools like Google Flow or similar platforms. And I start generating images scene by scene. I keep the characters simple, the backgrounds clean, and I focus on clear emotions, because remember, you don't need perfect graphics, you just need visuals that are easy to understand. And if you're learning something new right now, drop a like and comment "value" so I know this is helping you. Now, after creating all the images, I move to the next step, which is turning those images into video. And this is where beginners overcomplicate things, but you don't need to. I use simple image-to-video tools where I add slight movement, a bit of zoom, and smooth transitions, nothing fancy, just enough to make the visuals feel alive, because these videos are meant to be simple. And if you want my exact tool list, comment "tools" below and I'll reveal everything. Now comes the most important part of all, the voice. This is where your entire video can either succeed or fail. You can use AI voice or your own voice, but the key is emotion. Don't sound robotic. Speak like a real human, slow, natural, and expressive. Because at the end of the day, people don't connect with visuals, they connect with feelings. And if you're still watching this, I know you're serious, so go ahead and subscribe and comment "ready," because you're ahead of 90% people. Now for the final step, editing. I bring everything together, the images, the video clips, the voiceover, and the background music. I start with slow music and gradually build it up to create emotion and impact. And suddenly what looked like a simple video turns into something powerful, something that people actually want to watch till the end. And here's the truth, this entire process is not hard. Anyone can do it, but most people won't because they overthink, they delay, and they never start. Don't be that person, start today. Even if your first video is not perfect, because every video you make will get better. And if you want to follow this exact system and get real results, make sure you subscribe and comment "next."
Ever felt sad just after scrolling your phone? You see others happy, rich, perfect, and suddenly your life feels small. Start comparing, thinking you're not good enough, focus breaks, mind gets tired, still can't stop.